This is Justin Germino from DragonBlogger.com, and I'm here showcasing the Pinshow Bluetooth speaker. Now, this speaker, as your typical Bluetooth speaker, pairs with any Bluetooth device, and you get your control function panel on the front. You simply hold down the plus pause button long enough and it puts in a Bluetooth pairing mode. The M button will switch you between auxiliary mode or USB stick mode or the Bluetooth mode. And then of course you have your plus or minus volume buttons. You tap once to skip track or you increase or decrease your volumes. So on the back of the device you got your on-off switch here. You've got your USB, which you could plug in a USB device like a flash drive and play music off of your USB stick. And you've got your auxiliary input port as well. And then there's the charging port. Again, this is a Bluetooth speaker. Now the interesting thing is I've been playing this speaker for music. It sounds really good. It's got a nice amount of sound, a nice amount of bass. Currently I have it hooked up to a Bluetooth FM transmitter, and that Bluetooth FM transmitter is hooked up to my PS4. So I'll go ahead and increase volume on this thing. And right now my PS4 is hooked up to this via Bluetooth via an FM transmitter, a Bluetooth transmitter. So I'll turn this volume up here. So you can see it's hooked up to my PS4 here. And I'm going to go ahead and play some game sounds through it. Play some game sounds through the Pinshow Bluetooth speaker from my PS4 using a Bluetooth transmitter. And then the game load up here. I'm going to use Spelunky just to test the audio. Okay. The music should kick in here. A little bit. Alright, let's test something else on sound since this is a bit video game and the sound's really kind of 8-bit. Okay, now I have the intro title to Final Fantasy 15 up on the PS4. Okay. Again, just testing out the Bluetooth sound on this Pinshow Bluetooth speaker. I happen to be hooked up to it with the PlayStation 4. Not the Bluetooth on the PlayStation 4, but I actually have an FM transmitter, sorry, a Bluetooth transmitter hooked up to my TV via optical audio, which is then transmitting the sound of the PS4 through Bluetooth to this Pinshow Bluetooth speaker. I happen to be killing two birds with one stone, reviewing the Havit Bluetooth transmitter with the optical audio with my TV to my PS4. So again, the speaker sounds pretty good, pairs with any Bluetooth device. It lasts a long time. The rubberized case feels pretty good. I did an unboxing video talking about the appearance of it. This is a grill cover right here for the speakers themselves. And I would probably say, let's see here, you got a 1000 milliamp battery in it. It's got two 3-watt speakers.
Could catch some Z's here.
Certainly. It's a spot worth taking note of.
Again, just testing out the volume, walking around in Final Fantasy 15. You can hear the Bluetooth speaker here. Okay, I'll go ahead and kill the sound. So that's a sample of the sound volume on the Pinshow Bluetooth speaker. Again, I hooked up via Bluetooth from my Havit Bluetooth transmitter, hooked up to my PlayStation 4. You can see it's a good way if you want to have a speaker close to you instead of having to the audio volume coming from your TV, which may be far away in the room. If you don't have a speaker system, you could just have a Bluetooth speaker close to you. This is the Pinshow Bluetooth speaker. Thank you for watching. Disclaimer: this product was provided to the author to do a review. All opinions are 100% authors and authors alone. For more information, visit bit.ly/dbdisclose. To have your product or brand showcased on Dragon Blogger, visit bit.ly/reviewmyproduct. Thank you for watching.